Today, I like the sound of quietness. I don't even know what to say today, but the sound of quietness. It is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful morning. Just being in this thing called nature. I got up about 2 o'clock this morning. Over the years of practicing yoga, doing a lot of push-ups with it. It took a long time for me to develop that upper strength after my setback. I remember when I first started doing 200 push-ups. The thought of doing 500 was like, wow. So it took me a couple of years, maybe like 2-3 years to get to 500. And about 4 years for me to get to 600 push-ups, to where I do 600 push-ups during my yoga session. So what I always do is, before I get to the asana, I will do a couple of push-ups, and that's how I get to the asana. Heading back to the village, and I wanted to say thank you to all the great minds that started this place. There's a noise somewhere that I'm hearing right now, and I just love that noise. So I'm probably just gonna go down there and just listen to that bird. I just wanna listen. Yes, I just wanna listen to this right here. This is all I just wanna listen to. I don't know why. Yes, this is all I wanna listen to right here. Just stand right here. Another form of meditation. Just wanna listen to that bird that stopped. There is just something special about this noise. I was talking about my yoga. To cut the long story short, I have gotten to where I do 900 push-ups every morning with my yoga. And it took me almost 6 years to develop that type of flexibility and upper strength. Silence. So every time when I'm doing this, it's pretty much just like meditating, but yes, silence. So the last couple of days, since my body is improving, I found myself doing 900 push-ups with the yoga. So every couple of push-ups is when I get into the asanas. And for anyone that's practiced yoga or look at the yoga mat, the yoga mat is actually designed so that you could do your push-ups. Yes, that's what it's designed to. And like I was saying earlier, to all the great mind that started this beautiful village, I want to say thank you. I honor you. To the new, the village here in Beaufort, South Carolina. A lot of work is needed. A lot of things needs to be done. This is a refuge to where one can get to know oneself. And collective consciousness. When I say collective consciousness, it also doesn't mean that I'm not allowed to say what's on my mind. To be able to speak on certain topics doesn't mean coming out of the anger senses. It's just I'm speaking to the collective as general, as one. Pretty much, let's be nice to one another. Oyotunji, Ekabo. Oyotunji Kingdom, yes, saying welcome. You bring greeting. I'm heading back into that beautiful setting. Self-discipline. The yogis really inspired me. I love how they are so disciplined to be able to get up in that middle of the night. The overnight yoga, I'm amazed. The overnight yoga, when I begin to practice it, really amazed me. To just get up in the middle of the night and begin stretching and doing push-up is just one of those things that I cannot even comprehend. It also makes you realize how important water is to the body. So every morning I always make sure I double down a gallon of water. That's how I wake up every morning. A gallon of water has to go inside of me. So in order for me to drink that gallon of water, I drink that water warm. So when the water is warm, my body doesn't resist it. It's just very easy to drink. Because I know a lot of people will be asking, how do you drink a gallon of water? No, don't drink cold water. Make it either hot or just warm. I always talk about taking meditation class a lot. Learning how to calm the mind down. Meditation and all that doesn't mean you don't get angry. It's just that it allows you to come out of that anger and think about why you're angry. A beautiful, beautiful morning. I'm just taking the last stroll. As you can see, I could hear this bird. Yes, I can hear it, I can hear it. So when I'm actually talking like this or going back to the village, I don't have a topic. I am just speaking, letting my head guide me. The birds. Nature is so powerful. This is the best music ever. I think I can catch that bird here. I don't know if the camera can see it. He's the one speaking. Let me see if I could hear it. Maybe he knows that I'm watching it. Probably fly off somewhere. Yeah, that's the guy right there, that little guy. So today is today. I thought I was going to be doing some talking today, but as I put my foot on that ground, all this talking just disappeared, and the only thing that is available is just enjoying how I put my foot on the ground. Today, another beautiful day. I've started my day since about 2 a.m. I always say this: when you realize your journey, when you realize your passion, you do it passionately. Always remember that sometimes your passion will not generate you money, but when you find something that you love and you do it to your own best, you find inner peace. You find joy. Well, like I said today, walking back to the village, it is a beautiful day. If you're seeing this, I honor you. And may you find peace. And one love.